All right, guys. How you guys doing today, man? We don't come again, my people. This one, I wait to concern religion. Pastor David Ibiyomie. Una know the Pastor David Ibiyomie now. In fact, very dark man don't respond to this particular thing where this pastor want talk. So maybe go shock una, or if he not shock una because now waiting all of us don't already they used to when it comes to our pastors. Let's listen to what very dark man have to say here quickly.
My type, because when I go after the people, the same people they come and beg. So I'm warning for the last time. Next one, I know nothing like warning. If you dare it, the young man, I know you. Your father won't beg me. I know your father too. Your mother won't beg me. I will deal with you. Because when I pick and I deal with them, people come and say, why do you go like this? You know, people are always one kind. What some said to be against me, some said to be for me. But those for me are always many. And when I go that time, I'm warning now. So all of you who used to be against me here now, was when I go the other way. Don't say, hey, can a man of God curse people? Will you go and arrest people? Will you go and do this one? Now I'm telling you, you better warn him. So when I go the other way, don't come back. So don't mind this man of God who now use police, use everything to arrest people. Me, I will arrest you. I will lock you up. I don't care. No man of God will pray for you and succeed. Okay. So the earlier you... Don't carry my news. That's what I'm telling you. Don't carry. I don't want your news. You won't make me popular. You are not already. I'm talking to the world. Don't carry my news. Good or bad, don't carry it. I don't want you to carry. Don't say I want to. Don't carry. If I hear them, don't carry my news. I don't want you. Don't carry. Don't carry news from this church. We are warning you that don't carry. Even this one, don't carry it. I don't want you again. You know what they do? They will carry news and incite other bloggers. And some of you in this church, you are part of it. They plant you inside the church. You listen to the message. Instead of getting blessed, you now stay, pick one thing and twist it. Say what I did not say. Or pick one verse, just one part. I heard something one day. I say, wow. They took something here, took something and combine it and make it look like that's what I said. Your work to do that. Maybe you met the wrong people. Me, I don't believe in slap me, I turn here. I don't believe in that kind of gospel. My gospel is you before you slap, I slap you. You better ask those who have had it with me. I'm not that kind of pastor who no, I'll fight you. Young man, I'm warning for the last time. He thinks he's stubborn, no stubborn. No. Before they see this NAIJA data pastor, don't start. It's okay.
All right, so with all due respect, sir, David Ibiyomie, pastor, I know you travel outside the world. You traveled to different countries of the world. Have you ever seen anybody brag like this with police, with using police to oppress people or using police to lock up people? Have you ever seen anybody use something like that to brag? That means you are using your influence now to say you can use the police to oppress. You can pay the police to oppress. Because you can't say this about other countries. You know why? Because those police will do their investigation and you can't command police to do anything, whether you are influential or not. But for Nigeria now, I go easily talk like this. That is why I say even the pastors follow spoil the country. But people don't understand what I was saying. People don't understand what I was saying. Look at what you are using to brag. Anybody that talked about faith that they will go and lock the person. Go and lock somebody. Go and lock somebody. We go remove the person first. And if we don't remove the person, we go stand for front of your church till you release the person. Nobody they fear you. Nobody. We don't come up for that. I don't talk and say, in order to liberate that country, we go drop respect. Anybody will no respect himself, will not go respect him. Imagine saying things like this so that we go to fear you. Who are you? What won't fear? Who are you that will fear? Are you not a man? Are you not a human being? Are you not a man? So if you come online and you say something that will deceive the public, you come online and you say something that it will brainwash the public, we should all keep quiet. You they put your markets online. Do you understand? So everybody, if you put in own ideology, in own thing online as well. So if what you so it's just like somebody coming online tomorrow to say if you knock small picking, say you go be billionaires. So maybe a lot of people keep quiet because now the person talking. And the person get right to talk with you won't talk. So we'll keep quiet. Make them come start to the knock our small children when our small children grow. You put out a doctrine or a teaching that is contradicting what is in the Bible, we go talk. We go talk. Let me say, he talk about me, I use police, I'm not the type of Christian. It shows that you are not even a Christian. Because Christians are Christ-like. It shows that you are not a Christian. There's freedom of speech, freedom of expression. Provided nobody is defaming you. Do you understand? Provided nobody is lying against you. Say, don't carry any news about me, both good or bad. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. That's my country. That's everybody's country. Don't even bother yourself to try it. Because it will not be funny. Not if you anybody, I beg. We are operating with the law. We have law in Nigeria. But you saying all these kind of things, it's just a pity. It's a pity that they can use our police in Nigeria to do anything. That's why people like you can brag. That's why the elite can brag. Because people can easily just remove 5 naira, 10 naira and give. They'll do your bidding for you. Can you brag like this outside the country? Do you hear big men outside the country brag like this? Now only Nigeria for civil matter, where they'll carry go courts, they'll use police, go arrest person. Now only for Nigeria, civil matter, they go use police, go arrest person. They'll turn out to criminal matter just to satisfy the big man. Would you be saying the big man will just go, okay, go court. They'll use police, go pick you just to satisfy the big man. They don't spoil our police, they don't corrupt our police. And you are a pastor. It's a shame. It's a shame. You are not a Christian. You are not. Because Christians are Christ-like. And you are not saying what the Lord would say. You are not acting like Jesus Christ would act. So you are not even a pastor. Based on this, so you are not a pastor. You are not even a Christian. I don't criticize you. If I come country, may they arrest me. I don't throw criticism. So long it's online, I will give my fair comments. And this is my fair comments. Thank you very much. Thank God you are NAIJA data and NAIJA data. We say, okay, you say that NAIJA data, man. Me say that NAIJA data. Full NAIJA data. Full one. Full one. Peace and love don't play. If you play, you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way.
It don't reach the level now, say, pastor is now publicly threatening people with police and with other stuff. It's crazy. It's really crazy. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Take care, guys. Bye for now.